Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to make bracelets like these using fishing line. Choose your favorite beads and create your own unique bracelet. For today's demonstration, I'll be making the White Pearl and Garnet bracelet. Now let's take a look at the materials. Materials for a 6-inch bracelet without the clasp and chain. Materials for the other bracelet variations are listed in the description below. Alright, let's get started. During the tutorial, I'll refer to the fishing line as thread. Cut your thread to about 6 times your bracelet length. I'm using about 36 inches. You can color the thread tips if that helps. Pass one end through the clasp and bring the clasp to the center of the thread. Add one seed bead on one thread, then cross the other thread through it. Make sure both threads are the same length. To reinforce the end, I recommend passing through the clasp and seed bead one more time. Pick up 2 seed beads and 1 pearl on each thread. Add 1 seed bead on one thread, then cross the other thread through it. Pick up 1 pearl, 1 seed bead, and 1 garnet on each thread. Add 1 seed bead on one thread, then cross the other thread through it. Pick up 1 garnet, 1 seed bead, and 1 pearl on each thread. Add 1 seed bead on one thread, then cross the other thread through it. Now repeat this pattern until you reach the last seed bead. Always pick up the same type of 6mm bead first after crossing the seed bead. Then pick up the other type of 6mm bead second to keep the pattern consistent. Continue repeating this pattern until you reach the last seed bead before adding the final pearl on each thread. Now let's finish the bracelet. Pick up 1 pearl and 2 seed beads on each thread. Add 1 seed bead and cross both threads through it. The bracelet portion is now complete, and it's time to attach the chain. Take 1 thread and pass it through the last link of the chain. Then pass it back through the top seed bead from the opposite side. Take the other thread and do the same from the opposite side. Now, both threads should be coming out of the top seed bead in opposite directions. Take 1 thread and weave back through the bracelet, following the existing thread path. In the video, I'm weaving back until the thread comes out of the seed bead just past the 4th pearl. Take the other thread and also weave back through the bracelet, following the existing thread path until it meets the 1st thread. In the video, I weave through the seed bead after the 4th pearl on the opposite side. Continue through the garnet bead and seed bead, then reverse direction, and pass back up through the garnet bead. This brings both threads together for tying. Now both threads meet. Tie 3 knots to secure the bracelet. Once the knots are secure, pass both threads into the adjacent garnet and pull tight to hide the knots. Then trim off the excess thread. Your bracelet is finished. I hope you enjoyed making this bracelet with me, and I'll see you in the next project.